rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that.
Hey guys, so I am back to show you guys how I use my rice water. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, I did not wash my hair the next day, so this is actually about 2 days later, and I am so happy that I used the peppermint essential oil because it definitely masks the smell of my rice water. So these are all the things that I use. Of course, I have my jar with my rice water here. I have a funnel. You can find these really at any store. I got mine, I think, from the dollar store. I have my strainer. I have my Eden Body Works deep conditioning mask, which is what I'm going to mix with my rice water. And I have my spray bottle here. What we are going to do is take our funnel and we're going to place it inside our plastic bottle. Then we are going to take our strainer and that will go on top of there, and that's how we're going to drain the rice off of our rice water. So open this, take our strainer, and we're just going to pour that right into our bottle. Again, you don't have to fill it up all the way. You can, that's nice, so you know, whatever you like. And again, I'm just going to discard my rice. If you wish to keep it for the next rice water rinse that you do, that's cool too. I just prefer not to. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pop this into the microwave for probably about 20 seconds just to warm it up. It is very cold if you just apply it from the bottle, so I don't know if you're cool with that, that's fine, but I personally like to heat it up just a little bit just so it's not a shock to my system. After I heat this up, I am going to you can spray it on if you wish. Sometimes I just dump it right onto my hair, and then I'm going to apply my Eden Body Works deep conditioner on top of that, and then I'm going to place my plastic cap on. And also I have here my new deep conditioning cap. I'm going to do a review on this soon. This is from the Butterlands. You can follow them on Instagram. I'm going to link them below. But if you're not using a deep conditioning cap, you can simply just sit on under the dryer for 20-25 minutes, and then you're going to just rinse it all out. So that is how I use my rice water. Also, just so you know, you do not have to apply it with deep conditioner. I personally prefer to do that. I like the moisture protein balance that I get with that. You can experiment on your own. I would maybe try, if this is your first time doing a rice water rinse, just applying it by itself, see how your hair takes to it. I know some people say, you know, depends on the porosity of your hair. Honestly, I'm not too familiar with porosity. I just try things, and if my hair responds well to it, then it's a go. If not, then I just know it's not for me. So it's really at your discretion. I would consider doing the rice water by itself first, and then if you see any benefit with the conditioner, then you know, you can try it that way as well. I cannot wait to try this, y'all. I am so excited. I know this is about rice water, but we're gonna get into it, okay? Anywho, that is how you prepare rice water. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment. If you've tried rice water, then leave a comment. If you have any tips on using rice water, I'm always looking for tips on, you know, different things to try. So definitely leave a comment below. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.